There are some bad people out there, so Google Sheets won't copy any time-driven automation triggers whenever you duplicate a spreadsheet. So you'll need to set this up manually, but don't worry, it's super easy. We'll open up AppScript by going to Extensions, AppScript. On the left side, we'll click on Triggers. Then in the bottom right-hand corner, we'll click Add Trigger. For the choose which functions to run, we'll select the Monday one at first. Then we'll do time-driven, week timer, every Monday, hit save. And I know this part's tedious, but we have to do this all over again for each individual day of the week. So we'll choose the function Tuesday. The event source will be time-driven. Then we'll select week timer and every Tuesday. And if you want to select a specific time of day, you're more than welcome to. I just want it to be whenever it rolls over the day, so I'm just going to leave it at midnight. Then I'll click Add Trigger, change the function to Wednesday. The event source is time-driven. Change that to week timer every Wednesday, then hit save. And once you set this up, it will run automatically in the background, so you never have to think about it again. We'll change the function to Thursday, time-driven, week timer, every Thursday, then hit save. And we're halfway there. We'll click on Add Trigger. Use the drop-down to select Copy Friday Tasks. Event source will be time-driven, week timer, every Friday, hit save. And obviously, if you skipped over Saturday and Sunday, if it's not relative to you, you can skip these next two and just go to monthly. But for everybody else, we'll click on Add Trigger, copy Saturday tasks, time-driven, week timer, every Saturday, then hit save. And then we'll go to Add Trigger, copy Sunday tasks, time-driven, week timer, every Sunday, and then we'll hit save. And now everybody should do this whether they skip Saturday and Sunday or not. We'll go to Add Trigger, copy monthly tasks, select event source, time-driven. This time we'll select month timer, and I want my task to populate on the first of the month, so I'll leave it as the first and hit save. So now your trigger list should look exactly like this. You have the type, the event, and the name. If you see duplicate names, that means you forgot to update something. One thing to note is that Google has the ability to add smart chips to link files more neatly. If you use smart chips instead of a URL in this case, it will copy the name of the smart chip, not the URL. So just keep that in mind.